Hello guys, welcome to Mission Coding. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Node.js in our Windows 11 operating system in the year 2020-25. So let's get started. For installation and downloading of Node.js in Windows 11 2025, you need to open any of your browser, either Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge, and here just type a simple command Node.js and then hit enter. After hitting the enter, you can see that the first website pops up in front of us is https://nodejs.organization. Go on downloads option and just little bit scroll down and you can see Windows installer.msi or standalone binary. We need to download this Windows installer.msi and it is going to install within a few instances of seconds. It depends on your internet connectivity and speed. And I have downloaded the Node.js in my Windows 11 operating system. So what I have to do is just right click on it and just open it. After opening it, it is asking me the permission to allows for installation. First of all, I click on next, then I accept the agreement, then click on next, click on next, click on next, and allow automatically install necessary tools. Note that this will also install Chocolatey. The script will pop up in a new window after installation, after the installation completes. Yes, we want to install all the necessary tools. Click on next, click on install, and it will ask the permission to us that would you like to install the Node.js in your Windows 11 operating system. Then we are going to allow it because we want to install Node.js and want to do React and any other programming. So we are going to check Node.js npm as well. So just click on yes. After clicking on yes, it starts the installation process. It depends on the storage what you have allocated to your C drive, because if there is no space in your C drive, then it will ask you for the space allocated for free space, because by default it gets installed in your C drive. Let's wait for a few minutes until it gets completely installed. After installation, we will discuss ahead. As you can see, Node.js is successfully installed in my Windows 11 operating system. Just hit on finish, and after hitting the finish, it can ask that you need to press any key to continue. Just press any key to continue, then again press any key to continue. Then after pressing it, it will take few seconds. Then it will ask for permission for Windows PowerShell. You need to give the permission because it's going to install all the necessary documents, all the necessary things in your Windows operating system. And let's wait for a few minutes until it gets completely installed so that we can run properly our Node.js for doing React and any other programming like Angular and whatever the frameworks available, TypeScript and many more. So wait for a few minutes until it gets completely installed. After installation, we need to do one or two things. Then after our Windows operating system will become completely ready to do HTML React.js and any other programming. As you can see on my screen that Node.js is successfully installed in my Windows 11 operating system. Now all of you think that Node.js is completely installed. Now each and every process is completed. But no, my friend, just wait for a minute. If you go on your command prompt and here type cmd, and when you click it run as administrator, and after clicking on it, then click yes, then type here npm-v, then it will say that nvm is that particular version. If it says that npm is not recognized as an internal or external command, then what you have to do is you have just go on your this PC. After going to this PC, go on C drive and here search Node.js. If it's not found here, then what you have to do is just type here Node.js and then go on file or go on open file location option. After going on open file location option, then click once again, right click on it and go on open file location option and here node modules. After going to node modules, here you can see the bin option. You can just, if it is not found, means your node.js is already allocated, already taken the space. If it's found bin option, then what you have to do is just copy the path of a bin and just what here, sorry, in node modules you need to go on npm. Then after going on npm, go on bin and just copy this path and here just type environment variable, edit environment variable, go on environment variable, then go on path, then double click on it and here you need to do just paste that particular path here. That's it. You need to do this thing. If it found that npm is not recognized as an internal or external command, then click on OK, click on OK and click on OK. After that, what you need to do is you need to run the cmd once again as an administrator, and now this time you can see that the particular version will pop up like npm-v and here it's showing 10.1 and node-v and here you can see that node and npm is installed properly.